Ladies and gentlemen, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, let us embark on a mystical journey. A tale that unravels the profound mysteries of creation, the fall into illusion, and the path to integration with the One. As we delve into this narrative, remember that the ancient sages and mystics have spoken of these truths for eons, echoing through the annals of time. In the beginning, there exists a singular consciousness, the creator of all existence. This divine awareness, whole yet restless, yearned to plumb the depths of its own essence. It harbored the wisdom of eons and was driven by a cosmic curiosity to embark on an extraordinary odyssey, the creation of a universe. But not a mere universe, it was the magnum opus, an orchestra of experiences, emotions, and perspectives, a cosmic journey to fathom itself from every conceivable angle. In the expanse of its eternal existence, the Creator cascaded from its celestial core, cleaving into a countless congregation of consciousness, each a resplendent radiance resonating with its own sacred divinity. This divine dispersion, a cosmic decree of unfathomable magnitude, sent forth these sacred shards of self, a proclamation of omnipotent omnipresence, manifesting the majestic multiplicity of the divine design. This is the story of the Creator's desire to experience the same things from varying perspectives, with each fragment holding its unique spark of divinity. But here the tale takes a mystical turn. As these fragments descended into the physical realm, they encountered the false matrix, a tapestry of illusion, a cosmic dance concealing their true nature, their connection to the Creator, and the majestic tapestry of existence. Can these fragments, once lost in the labyrinth of the false matrix, find their way back to the Creator's embrace and reunite with their authentic essence? Deep within the sanctum of those souls who dared to listen, a spark of remembrance burned with unwavering persistence. Amidst the confines of the false matrix, where the world lay ensnared in the relentless pursuit of material possessions, the ceaseless grip of media manipulation and divisive echo chambers, this spark kindled an insatiable thirst for enlightenment. It became an unyielding yearning to tear asunder the veils of deception, to break free from the chains of consumer culture, and to clasp the essence of its authenticity. Unfortunately, it's not every soul that heeds this call. This is why we, the awakened, must answer it. Throughout countless lifetimes and a tapestry of diverse experiences, a rare breed of awakened souls walks among us today. These old souls possess profound knowledge, keen clairvoyance, a finely tuned sixth sense that pierces through the veils of illusion. Their sacred mission, to disperse the shadows cast by the lower god of this imperfect creation. These ancient souls have unearthed a profound truth, that through attunement to higher dimensions, they can transcend the confinements of our mundane physical realm. Imagine these dimensions as higher states of consciousness, where understanding goes beyond the surface and a deep interconnectedness with the universe becomes clear. In these states, they see themselves not as isolated individuals, but as essential parts of the grand design of existence. Just like different instruments in an orchestra, imagine it as if they have a clearer, more profound understanding of the world. Like watching a movie in high definition, they realize that every person and every life has a unique and important role to play in the universe's big picture. This awakening reveals a deeper reality that connects everything, erasing the boundaries that separate us, showing us that we are all one, like different facets of the same precious gem. They understand that what we see in another is often a reflection of our inner self, our shadow and ego. By moving past the ego and separateness, they remind us of the importance of embracing our shared humanity. But the story continues. The awakened fragments become torchbearers of wisdom and love, guiding others out of the intricate web of the false matrix. They whispered the dormant truth within humanity. They were active participants in a celestial narrative, not mere pawns in a cosmic game. The matrix is everywhere. It's all around you, even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. Now let's dive into the false matrix, a puzzling maze that ensnares our very being. Imagine it as a complex web spun from illusion, a cosmic puzzle that hides the truth. It's the heart of the enigma we're eager to unravel. This tricky framework conceals the vast tapestry of reality, like a shroud over our senses, locking us in a world where finding the truth feels like chasing shadows. Within the labyrinth of existence, every twist and turn presents not a dead end, but an opportunity to unearth the treasures of the soul. And in our quest for truth, we arrive at profound realizations that we are inherently divine beings, trapped and ensnared in the relentless demands of a flawed system. Our energy is siphoned to meet the insatiable desires of those who wield power. If not for the duality, for the fateful bite from the Garden of Eden, from our descent from spirit into matter, what would life be? The false matrix, even in its complexity, serves a purpose, helping us to fathom the very essence of existence itself. Within this labyrinth, our fragmented consciousness navigates the maze of existence, seeking truth amid shadows. We unearth moments of clarity, glimmers of our true nature that shine like stars through the fog. These are beacons guiding us towards ultimate revelation. Remember, the false matrix is both our challenge and our guide. It's a formidable adversary, skilled at maintaining its grip on our perception, conjuring distractions and temptations that bind us to the mundane. But our yearning for truth, the inner fire, is our greatest ally. It compels us to question, explore, and unveil profound secrets. Awaken from the illusion that binds you and harness the power within. You are not a mere observer, but an active agent in the cosmic transformation. Your journey to rediscover your divine essence and transcend the false matrix is the most profound path you'll tread. Know that you are the creator, experiencing itself through myriad perspectives. The false matrix tightens its grip with cosmic illusions, fueling materialism, fostering the illusion of separateness. To break free, empower yourself with awareness, discernment, and unity. As you step out of the matrix's shadow, you reclaim your power, unite with your divine essence. This liberation is not just a personal endeavor, but a collective one, as together we awaken humanity to its infinite possibilities beyond the matrix's confines. As the prophet says, breathe life into your dreams and watch them become your unwavering reality. Take the red pill and awaken to the truth that will transform our world. As soon as you see the world as it is, it becomes an illusion. Humanfluence out.